Hi everyone, welcome. Let's make air fryer dehydrated banana chips with cinnamon. So you're going to need some bananas. You want to use ripe but firm bananas, so they shouldn't be mushy. Some cinnamon, I have about a teaspoon here, but you can use more or less depending on how you like it. You can also substitute the cinnamon for other spices such as pumpkin spice, or make it savory by using salt. You're very free when it comes to that. We're also going to be using some lemon juice and some water. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix the water and the lemon juice to make a solution, which is the pre-treatment. And what that does is that it helps prevent the bananas from turning brown. Peel and slice the bananas as equally sized as possible so they dehydrate evenly. As always, I'm using my Ninja Foodi, but you can use any air fryer with a dehydrator function. So as you can see, these are ripe but still nicely firm. So I'm just going to combine the pre-treatment solution. So next you want to get your dehydrating rack. This is optional, you can still use your air fryer basket. I like to lightly oil mine to prevent sticking. Arrange the bananas in a single layer on the dehydrating rack or air fryer basket. Pat them dry using a kitchen cloth, and then you want to sprinkle cinnamon on top or your favorite spice. You then want to repeat the process with the other dehydrating racks until all the bananas have been used up. In case you haven't already, please subscribe and keep this channel alive. So I'm just patting this dry again, and then I'm going to place the racks in the air fryer. Dehydrate the bananas at 135 Fahrenheit, that's about 60 degrees Celsius, for 6 to 12 hours, checking on them every 3 to 4 hours. So you basically just want to allow them to dehydrate until properly dry or the desired level of chewiness has been achieved. Serve or store in airtight containers for later